It's time to go find the family. They are out on the beach somewhere. I'm gonna ride my bike down there and see if I can find them. Did a little grass cutting today. Check it out. That's why I'm late going to the beach. Had to cut some grass, so I'm going to actually ride my bike to the beach. Hey, check this out, y'all. This is got a double hammock set up here. Oh yeah, spent a little time in that over this Memorial Day weekend. 2 hammocks set up, nice place to take a nap. So let's head to the beach and see if we can find these people. And I'm even gonna ride my bike with my Crocs. Hello. Now it was really nice right then. Had some riders meet me on the sidewalk, and I got over in the sand so they could keep going, because I am a gentleman. Fire department. Right here, I am at the Middleton Bridge. There's the Oak Island water tank, and right out there in front, you can see the ocean. Now, in this water, this is considered Davis Canal, and I will do a lot of kayaking through this canal. Very beautiful. Now, of course, the water levels here are determined by the tide, so you got to be careful on the tides. You don't want to get yourself stuck in a really low tide. It's a beautiful day, and I've almost to 2nd Street to where they're at. So let's go find my grandkids and play with them in the ocean. Here we go. Now, they said they were at 2nd Street, but I'm looking for my Suburban, and right now I don't see it. So maybe it's over there where I can't see it. Let me take a better look. Oh, I see it. Yep, I see it. Here comes my little princess. She sees her puppy. Uh-oh. Here she comes. 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 Woohoo! And here is our setup. Chairs, mats, umbrella, and there's a cooler full of beer. What else do you need? I'm gonna throw it. Hey, I'm gonna throw it and you go get it. Here you go. Get it, get it, get it. Get it. You got it. You gonna throw it, Poppy? Throw it, throw it.